Today I'm going to teach you the letter T. Which letter is this? It's a T. And what is the sound of T? T. 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 Okay. So we have to start with this line. Bring it down, 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 down. Stop here. Okay. Make a curve like this. And make a small line here. It's a T. What is the sound of T? It's a T. Theta, triangle. Theta, triangle. Once again, make a straight line. Bring it down, down, down. Stop over here. Make a curve. Up. Stop over here. And small line to the middle. Okay. It's T. Which letter is this? It's T. What is the sound of T? It's T. T. Theta, triangle. Theta, triangle. Hopefully you understand. Okay, जो अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.